We are going to label an IV bag. The purpose of labeling an IV bag is to show where the fluid level is at each hour. This makes it very easy for the nurse to come and check that the IV bag is infusing correctly. This is done predominantly when the IV is flowing with gravity flow instead of an infusion pump. Our notes tell us that the first thing we're supposed to do is to label the start time. So from the problem that we're given, our start time is 1400 hours. So you can see where the bag says start time, and so I fill in 1400 hours. Next, I am to mark the hourly progress. We are told that this IV is infusing at 50 milliliters per hour, so I need to mark every 50 milliliters. So 0 is the start, and then the bag is marked off in 50 milliliter increments, so I'm going to need to write a time for each of the 50 milliliter increments. So I mark them down through my bag down to 450 milliliters infused. However, the total volume is given to us as 500 milliliters, so I know after the 450 mark there is another hour's worth of fluid to finish out the bag. Now I can come back through and write the times. So 0 is at 1400 hours when we started our IV. Next we have 50 milliliters later is the same as 1 hour later, and so that will be 1500 hours. And then we keep going down through our bag, labeling each of the marks that we had made earlier. So by the 450 mark, I'm at 2300 hours, and I know that the remainder of the bag will empty in another hour, and we know that our time starts over, and so we have 0 hours as our completion time.